What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. Guys, it's been such a long time. You know, I've been super busy with life, super distracted with the Discord and options trading. But I'm back with YouTube. Going to drop a video to show you guys how you open up a trade position on ThinkOrSwim. ThinkOrSwim is where I do most of my trading at these days. And most of the Discord, I suggest to use ThinkOrSwim. So I'm going to show you guys what you would do to jump into options position on a desktop computer on ThinkOrSwim. So if you look up above, this will be a short, sweet video, right to the point. You go to find the symbol when you on your ThinkOrSwim screen when you logged in, and you just type in any ticker. We'll just type in QQQ for laughs and giggles. You go to that QQQ. As you get that, you'll notice that you see something that says options chain down below. And what you want to do is you want to go right below that and click on options trade. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up where it says sell or buy. You want to buy. You also want to adjust right here where it says 10. Unless you want to buy 10 contracts, you definitely want to adjust that to the number you want. So let's just say 3 for laughs and giggles. We want to buy 3 contracts and we want an expiration. This is where you get your expirations at. Let's just say we want an expiration February 24th. And let's just say we want a strike price of 542, 543, since that's what I clicked on. Then over at the end, you'll see where it says call or put. You want to make sure your call is highlighted if you want to call. And you want to make sure put is highlighted if you want to put. Obviously, the put will be in the money. So the price for that would be $6.22 per contract. If you wanted a call, the call would be $2.27 per contract because the call is out the money. Now you want to look over at the bottom where you'll see they're charging you $2.29, which is the ask. I'm going to get to that in a second. You see limit. You can click on market, MOC, LOC, stop, limit, trade, stop. I'm sure you guys seen all this stuff before. And then you want day or GTC, which is good to close, which I'm sure you guys know. So you always want to leave that on day. Now, this part is the tricky part right here. The bid you see is $2.25. The ask is $2.29. And the actual price is right in the middle. So what you want to do is you could take this to $2.27 if you want to get in right in the middle, which is basically what the exact contract is worth at that time. Here's the thing. If you do that, you may get in or you may not get in. If the stock continues to go up, you will not get filled. So a lot of times the cheat is to go just one above. So instead of $2.27, I would pay the $2.28 so I could get in immediately. If you put in $2.29, you'll get in immediately, but you're also going to be costing yourself some extra money. Even though it's only $1 here, you got to be careful because a lot of some stocks, there is a big difference between the bid and the ask, and I'll give you an example of that. Also, what you could do is you could just go to market. But again, when you go to market, you're going to pay the ask. You're going to pay that $2.29, not the $2.27, not the $2.25. And you want to be careful with that on certain stocks. On a stock like QQQ, it's not going to hurt you a bunch, but it still will hurt because you're still paying an extra $2 per contract to get in immediately. And like I said, I would be willing to pay the extra $1 to get in if I wanted to get in that bad. I don't want to pay an extra $2, so I would not want to do market. And now to show you the difference, if I went to a stock, if I go up here, I'll go to a stock called Now. And if I go to Now, if you look at Now options chain, click on options trade. I just want you to look. So the bid right here is $11.10 and the ask is $12.70. And that means the actual price is $11.90. So that's a big difference. So if I buy a contract here, if I do the market price, if I do the market, let me click on market. I'm going to come in at $12.70, which I don't want to do because now I'm already coming in this trade $80 down. And just to be explained, that's for the February 21st call, $9.90 strike price, and it's a call play, call option. I will be coming in $80 down if I came in at the market. So the market is never really a good idea. What I would want to do if I wanted to get in immediately is I would try to move this price all the way down to $12. Now, if I got in here, I'm coming in $10 down. The benefit of that is I am in early. I don't got to wait. If the stock continues to go up, I should be in. If the stock pulls back, obviously I'm going to fill that $10. But if I'm getting in the call, I'm getting in because I'm thinking it's going to go up. I don't want to get in when it's already $80 away, because now I done missed a good chunk of the profit already by getting in here. So that's why it's important to not jump in at the market. You want to jump in at the limit. If I jump in at the market, if I go in on that, which I don't even know if it'll let me because market hours are closed. If I go in on that, it's going to cost me a lot of money. I don't want to do that. That is not going to help me right here at all. I want to go in at the cheaper price. So that's why you always hit that limit and you go in on the limit. When you go in on a limit, it helps you get in at a cheaper price. You want to do that. It's tedious, but it's helpful. So guys, make sure you're going in on a limit. Make sure if you have any questions about how to enter a trade on ThinkOrSwim, you let me know. ThinkOrSwim is also connected to Charles Schwab. TD Ameritrade, as you guys know, is no longer a thing. It's now Schwab. So that's where I do most of my trading at. Play around with Webull every now and again, but for the most part, I'm on Schwab/ThinkOrSwim. And this is what I want for you guys. So check it out, take notes, ask questions. Guys, I'm back. I'm going to give you guys some great content, help you guys learn, help you guys see how we've grown over the years, and hopefully you guys have been growing too. Guys, you can always be a boss with the Options Boss. You already know I'm a holler when I holler.